The lack of motivational tools to retain specialists and ineffective methods to recruit them can be considered one of the biggest challenges for modern human resources departments. Of course, each and every employer wishes to recruit the most efficient and best prepared employees. Unfortunately, we can observe major problem in form of outflow of those specialists and lack of methods to attract them on labor market. Money alone often is not enough for highly trained employees, and without sufficient information about their motivations and needs, recruitment process proves to be flawed and ineffective. Recruiting new employees is based mostly on classic form of resume screening and job interviews. Every potential employee knows that and prepare themselves for even most tricky questions. Resumes are tweaked for best effect and not necessarily represents candidates truly. Inside employee research are bound to use standard, low engagement and highly predictable questionnaires that examine the individual knows and states the expected answers. More complicated and effective forms such as assessment centers are time-consuming and difficult to carry, especially for larger population. The solution for this problem is innovative, highly automated tool that will involve and surprise candidate. The key process we rely on is immersion. Each element is prepared to fully engage the participant and provide most spontaneous and reliable results. To achieve that, we decided to drop the traditional pen and paper approach and instead use interactive movies. A story told visually where traditional questions are replaced by participant's decision that he will face. Similar solutions are used to engage participants in marketing and social campaigns by biggest companies in the market. Here we can witness a recruitment promotional interactive movie by Deloitte.
Hey Billy, can you give us a hand? I think I jammed it. Thanks.
We complement interactive movies, the Logic Engine by InventCore, with Face Micro-Expression Analysis Technology, Allen Engine by Quantum Lab, and Galvanic Skin Response Technology to deliver most effective tool that proves participant engagement and reliability of test. The whole process is automated thanks to these technologies and therefore significantly reduces the time and cost factors. No specialized equipment is needed for the products that will be the effect of the studies. Standard laptop with internet access and webcam will suffice. According to Bersin studies from January 2015, tech market for human resources solutions is worth around $10 billion. Growth in budget for HR departments is estimated at 4% per year and over 10% for tech per year. According to Deloitte studies, learning and development trend is the third most important in 2015. The need of eternal corporate development through recognition of own advantages and weaknesses jumped from 8th place last year. The percentage of companies that consider learning and development important triples from last year, but readiness drops significantly. Only 40% of these companies are ready or almost ready for learning and development. According to Heis Poland, in top 10 trends for HR in 2015, 3 are significantly important for our project. Competence test, personality test, assessment and development center. These are the tools in Human Resources Department sleeves for 2015. Each are specified for improving recruitment and employee fitness process. In this year, companies will more often than ever outsource their processes in the fields of personal administration, salaries and benefits management, recruitment and employee trainings, as well as other human resources activities. Ineffective cooperation between business and academics tends to be one of the most painful flaws of Polish labor market, but there is significant change for better in the field. Companies more often than ever order specified university courses and recruit graduates and students through ambassadors and internship programs. These are the major competition for our solution in recruitment and research market segments on Pomerania. High technology and advanced expertise are the part of our premium offer, including fully personalized studies for each company needs. It can include both inside employees research and recruitment studies for a specified set of needed skills and abilities. Such solutions will offer complex service that shifts whole preparation and execution process on our science, HR and tech experts. Company only provides us with parameters of their needs, and our team will deliver quality and effectiveness that comes with our tool. We also preparing alternative for smaller companies in form of online platform in software as a service form, which will offer tools for their users to prepare such studies themselves. Additional revenue stream will be licensing and training for science environments to use our solution. The idea for the project came to us during workshops on problems and difficulties in the field of market studies that includes low efficiency and usefulness of big chunk of obtained data. First idea quickly evolved into full prospect of business psychology studies with new tools and testing that solution. Further consulting with experts proved more obstacles and we pivoted into business services. The time we took to develop the idea was full of market research on the subject, meetings with HR representatives, science experts and startup execs. The effect of our progress can be witnessed here in the form of final idea for the business solution service in the field of market research and recruitment. For the biggest traction, we are building partnership with key specialists for the project. We are also obtaining companies interested in participating in the studies that will prove the efficiency of our product. We are facing the biggest challenge yet, which is test studies and standardization of our tool. As you can see, it is fully scheduled and planned in details. The effect of these studies will be minimum viable product for our solution. Then we will introduce the product into market in described model and further develop the tool in response to feedback and any problems we may encounter. The project is managed by BreakBox Lab, an R&D company founded by